Okay, so made the crucifix blank here. I've got that fitted in there. A little bit loose. I had to put a bit of cardboard in there because I made these to fit normal keys, which are 2mm, where these are only like about 1mm. Got them both in here. I think I've got them nearly where I want them. Move this one across a little bit more. Tighten that up. I think this needs to be a little bit longer because it's sticking the key out a bit far on this end, but that's about right there now, I think. Oh yeah, it's hitting there, so we want to start it there. Okay, I think we'll power that up and see what happens, see if it cuts at least. Put that all in tight. Anything else I need to check? Got safety glasses on, always be careful with these things. Let's see if we're spinning the right way. Oh, that's the wrong way. Reverse that. Yeah. And the whole lot rattles to pieces. Okay. It moves a little bit when it vibrates. If you look, and you see that it does cut. I'm actually impressed with that. So a little bit more tuning and we should be good to go. Probably made this a little bit too long as well, so not sure. I might look at cutting it off a smidge. Maybe. Alright, we'll start with cutting it off a smidge and then we'll see where we go from there.